President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yaarabura abatoro ku rw'omyanya eri kuhingwamu amagyani abaine amataka makye okuronda ekindi ekyokukorraho bitu kutari kuhingaho amagyani.
Now recently I was with Bishop Kalisti, with other people who were talking about something else, but I checked with them. When the prices of tea were good, how much were you getting per acre? They told me that somebody would get 5 million per acre, and that if you deducted costs, you would remain with 2.5 million net per acre per annum. Yes, but you can see that's a lot of money. If you have got 10 acres, that's 25 million net. 100 acres, 250 million. 1,000 acres, 2.5 billion. You could get 1 billion, 2 billion from tea when the prices were still good. But now, so from the beginning, tea should have been grown by the medium or large scale people, not small ones.
President Museveni yashobora habwenje atebekaniso kubuganaho abahinji b'amagyani okurwombyanga nka Bushenyi mpango toro zombo hamwe na n'ahandi.
Is whether the disease, this collapse of price is permanent or temporary. If it is temporary, then we should persist, knowing that it will recover. But also, I have been hearing that yes, the price has come down, but it has come down only for the tea of Uganda and some other countries. Why? Because the harvesting practices are not good. There is a problem about using, we are not using enough fertilizers and so on. If we do all those, will the price recover? If we do all those, will the price recover?
Omukoro ogu gwahikwaho na Minisita w'obuhingi n'oburiisa Honorable Frank Tumwebaze na n'abandi abebembezi.
So Your Excellency, what we are doing now, that we have drafted tea management guidelines and regulations, which are before the Attorney General. When they are out, we'll bring them to Cabinet. Those regulations will empower our extension staff, because Your Excellency, when we remove the agencies like UCD and others, we agreed that we empower one regulatory system through the extension system.
Mombasa temukura na kwinshi abo kuba batamu mbatekateka ngenda kwito kureberaho Rwanda hari munonga na Mombasa okukyara Uganda yita heyi abantu bana batwara matano Mombasa bakaguza bei nungi okukyara na Kenya. So eto kutekateka ngu ba brokers abo bonito tukubero na munyine experience wa director okumara emyaka 10 ayigera ki factora
ekindi necha amasanyalazi. Your Excellency, amasanyalazi aha mu Uganda ngana tusobogi very expensive, because in a factory ya size yange in Kenya ni wani sasura $, almost one factory $1,200 equivalent, which is about 200 million. In umeme 220, 230, 250. The same size of the factory here in Kenya, someone is paying about $32,000. Anyo sasura 6. Nimeita kama sasa kitu agangai.
Omunyeshenjero kazahabwa Bushenyi Anet Katusime Mugisha yasima President Museveni ahabwa kwija Bushenyi okurendura abahinji b'amagyani.
Kandi ekintu ky'amagyani eki tumazire nakyo almost omwaka. Itwe nka members ba parliament abakurwa mu region zezi, mu region eje yankore nangwa na Kigezi nangwa na Toro na Northern Uganda na Central Uganda, tukaraisinga issue ya magyani eki afro parliament omu committees zitu aha radios turukuhurira kubi okureba ngu amagyani bei y'amagyani ekaza hansi.
President Museveni yaraganisa kuhereza obuhumbi 320 okuyamba amabanja g'abantu abahira amagyani government ababedi na nabaza factory. Amakuru agagasha kwa Abraham Muganzi.